Hi fams, and welcome back to New Tech. In this video, I'm going to be exemplifying how you can add a borderline to your videos on Capcut for Windows and Mac. Now the first step is to have your video imported into Capcut, and once that is done, you can drag your video to the timeline ready for edit. Now the next thing from here is to click on your video, and then you'd want to come to the editor interface on the right side of the screen and just scroll down to Canva. So make sure that you have ticked on Canva, and then you can click on the drop down, then select the color of your border as a blue in this case. And once that has been done, you'd want to scroll back up, and then you'd want to scale your video inward depending on how thick you want the borderlines to be. So that's how to simply add a borderline to your video on Capcut for Windows. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.